In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho Projects and assign tasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone into your workspace and make them the owner of a task, so responsibilities are clear and progress is easy to track. I'll walk you through each action, explain what you're seeing, and share a few helpful tips to avoid common hiccups as you go. First, open your Zoho Projects homepage and make sure you're in the right portal and project. If you manage multiple projects or organizations, double-check the project name at the top so you don't accidentally invite someone to the wrong place. You'll need the right permissions to add people, so if you don't see the option to invite users, you may need an admin or project owner to grant you access. Once you're on the correct project dashboard, we're ready to bring in a new user. On the dashboard, look for the Invite Users option. It typically appears in areas where you manage your team, such as a panel or menu related to project members. Click Invite Users to open the invitation panel. If this is your first time here, you'll see a simple form or field where you can add people by their email address. This is your starting point for growing your project team. Click into the Invite Users field so the cursor is active. Now, type the email address of the person you want to add. Use their primary work email so they receive the invitation promptly and can log in under the right account. If your plan allows it, you may be able to add more than one email at a time, but sticking to one at a time makes it easier to confirm each invite. When the address looks correct, proceed to send the invitation. Click Invite to send the email. Zoho Projects will deliver a message asking the person to join your project. Let them know to watch for the invite and to check spam or promotions folders if they don't see it immediately. The user will appear in your project once they accept. If the person doesn't have a Zoho account yet, they'll be prompted to create one as part of the process. After the invite is sent, you're ready to assign work to them inside the Tasks area. Next, go to the Tasks section of your project. This is where you'll see all your task lists, filters, and details. Clicking Tasks switches you to the workspace dedicated to task management. If your view looks different, try the list view for a straightforward layout that shows columns like task name, status, and owner. Find the owner field. In Zoho Projects, owner refers to the person responsible for completing the task, the assignee. You'll typically see the owner column in the task list, and you can also adjust it from within a task's detail panel. Click on the task you want to assign. Opening the task ensures you're editing the right item and lets you confirm related details like due dates, priority, and any dependencies. This is also a good moment to scan the description and attachments so you know the assignee will have everything they need. Now, assign the task by clicking on the user you want as the owner. You'll see a list of project members. Search or scroll to select the person you invited. Remember, they need to be part of this specific project to appear in the list. And if they haven't accepted the invite yet, they may not show up. Once selected, the owner field updates and the task is officially assigned. The user will be notified according to their notification settings. That's it. You've opened your project, invited a user, and assigned a task to them as the owner. Keep this flow in mind whenever you onboard new teammates. Invite first, then assign tasks, so ownership is crystal clear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.